So the next interview question that we are going to talk about is embedded code in Power BI. Now, let us try to understand the embedded code in Power BI with the help of an example. Imagine that you are working in the Samsung. Okay. Now, Samsung is, as we know, one of the biggest organization that sells mobile phones. Now, let's just say for a moment that you have, so obviously you have the access to the data for the mobiles sold by the organization. Out of that data, you have created the dashboard and the reports. And after you created the dashboards and reports in Power BI, let's just say that you have uploaded those dashboards and report to Power BI service, that which is on cloud. Now, there is also the website for the Samsung mobile applications. Okay. On this particular website, or you can also imagine the web app. I mean, it's up to you. But let's just say for a moment that we are talking about the website, and what we want to do is all the data, all the dashboards created for the mobile sold in the organization, I want to display this data from Power BI service to the company's website. Okay, for Samsung. Now, how do I exactly do that? Now, this is the situation wherein the embedded code comes into the picture. So what has happened until now? We prepared the report, we uploaded the reports to service. Now it's important that we embed these reports into the website of Samsung. How do we do that? Now to perform this integration from the Power BI service to the website of the organization, we will write a code in the website HTML. Okay, this code will basically help us to integrate between these two applications. This code will also have the embedded token. Now this token is something that will help for the security purposes, because it's important that you have the authentication while accessing this particular data. If you work in any organization, then you'll understand how important data security is for any organization. Okay, after you complete this integration, the data which was earlier available in the Power BI service would also reflect in the company's website, and the users would be able to access the data like they were able to access in the Power BI service. What I'm trying to say is, the on the website, after the data is integrated, so with this example, we can easily understand how embedded code helps to integrate the data into the website or the application. Okay. So what we understand from this example is that, let's say I'm a user. Okay. I want to have the data at one place, and the embedded code helps me doing exactly the same thing. If I'm the user, I want to have the access to the website. On the same website, I want to access the data. I'm not supposed to switch to the other platform just for accessing the data. That's what the benefit of using the embedded code. Also provides developers the flexibility to customize the appearance and behavior of the data that you are accessing. What that means is, developers can change the look and feel, the color, and the aesthetic changes that they want to that they want to do as per the requirement. So the customization is also available using the embedded code. As I said earlier, data security is of the utmost important for any organization, and embedded code helps us for the data security as well. As we discussed earlier, there is an integration between Power BI service and the website. So it could be website, it could be web app, right? But it can be done for the different programming languages and framework, which include JavaScript, .NET, Python, and many more. The next point that I want to talk about is deployment. The embedded code in Power BI can be deployed on premise or also on the cloud. What that means is, it doesn't matter whether the application or the website that you are accessing is hosted on cloud or on premise. In both the scenarios, embedded Power BI content can be deployed. I hope this will help you to give the basic idea as to what is embedded code in Power BI and how we use it and when we use it. Thank you so much.